The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. Here's a live look out at the Roanoke-Blacksburg Regional Airport, courtesy of our Skycam out there, showing mostly clear skies. A couple of clouds out there in the distance, but the sun is beginning to set out towards the west, and our temperatures are beginning to cool off just a little bit. A couple of moments ago, Lexington was in the 80s. Now we're down into the 70s. Elsewhere across Southside, Lynchburg, and Roanoke, temperatures about 80 to 81 degrees. Over in the NRV, 73 to 76. Lewisburg at 76 as well. Radar in our area pretty much all in the clear, but out to our east we are tracking a severe thunderstorm watch. That is what is highlighted here in pink, just for the potential for some severe storms to pop up, which would mean winds in excess of 59 miles per hour and hail in excess of 1 inch in diameter. So those are the requirements for severe thunderstorm warning to pop. There is one right here just outside of the DMV on the eastern side of Maryland, closest to Delaware. For the rest of our evening, though, temperature is going to continue to decline as skies continue to clear. Also, that humid air that we've been dealing with, that's going to be building out. Have a look at Future Tracker. There's potential for a couple of stray showers to pop thanks to a little bit of moisture left over from this afternoon's shower activity that pushed east of I-81. So we could see a couple of light showers, but notice our winds go from out of the southwest to out of the northwest, so some cooler air going to be funneling in, also some drier air. So no longer dealing with that warm and muggy flow from out of the south, dealing with more of a northwesterly flow through our Friday morning. In fact, temperature is going to be 59 to 65 as we wake up. Going to be clear out there, also going to be fairly dry. We are tracking humidity levels pushing off towards the south. Low pressure is going to build off towards the east coast, towards the northeast, bringing some rain this evening. Once we get into tomorrow, that dry air really starts to build in to the afternoon, and so we'll be feeling more refreshing outside. So muggy meter goes from about 61 to 70 to about less than 50 for both Friday and Saturday. So going from humid and tropical to more so comfortable. Duke is clapping over there. So yeah, gonna feel comfortable for the next couple of days. Unfortunately, because we're trading in the muggy and warm weather for dry and clear weather, we got to deal with the winds, unfortunately. So gusty winds are going to be returning. 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts throughout our Friday are possible. Winds out of the north and west. Breezy conditions sustained at about 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, concert at the Coves over at Smith Mountain Lake kicks off at about 5 p.m. Clear skies all night long. This event should wrap up at about 9 p.m., but lower humidity is the key for the next couple of days. As we head into Saturday, partly cloudy and breezy with that dry feel still out there. Temperatures in the lower 80s both days, and then perhaps a couple of afternoon showers as we're tracking another front that will be building in on Sunday afternoon. Once we get into next week, temperatures remain in the 80s, and we will stay with about a 20% chance of rain for the next several days as well. So this forecast looks awesome.